Hey guys, and welcome to my hair review. I got sent hair by DYHAIR777. So they sent me a 5x5 HD lace closure. The knots on the closure were very small and the lace was thin, so it was definitely perfect for a seamless install. It also provided me with 3 bundles of Brazilian hair in 20 inches. So I got the hair installed by Beauty by Bex. I really love how she installs wigs. I feel like the natural hairline looks so good. So I dropped off my hair a couple days before so that when I have my appointment, it would already be previously constructed, and all she had left to do was just to pluck it a bit more to get the desired hairline I wanted. After this, she cut the lace on the hairline. She used a zigzag motion to get a natural effect when cutting the lace. The hairstylist was also saying that the lace was really good and she was looking forward to seeing how it would look when it's finished, as the lace was very thin. So after hearing that, I knew I was in for a great install. So here you see her adding glue to my hairline. She made sure the glue dried clearly before she added another layer. After all layers of glue was dried clearly, she then pulled the lace forward onto the line of glue. As I kind of have a big full head, we had a lot of room to play around with. I didn't want it too forward, as my natural hairline is quite back, so I didn't want it to be too forward and you'd be like, oh no, her hairline is not like that, you know. Also, she made sure to add glue to any parts of the lace that had no glue on it. Lastly, she used a rat tail comb to make sure that every part of the lace was glued to my head. At this point, I started to do my little happy dance, as I knew it was going to be a great install. She then went over with a little bit of foundation to make sure that the lace matches my skin tone. To melt the hairline, she used Ebin. She used a very small amount as she don't want it to be too sticky. Lastly, she put a melt band on and then put me under the dryer to make sure the melt is seamless. She then sprayed her comb with Got To Be spray. This is how she molded my edges to get the natural Lagos hairline, which is very much in. I love this hairline as it gives like a very nice natural effect. It's a very nice alternative to the normal edges I get, which is normally fluffy. What I like about Beauty by Bex is that she's a perfectionist. She really took her time and made sure she got every hair in place. The lace on this closure is so good, like you can see how flawless it looks. So this is the styling part of the video where she uses a hot comb to straighten my hair. Also use a wax stick to make sure that it is flat. Then she goes in with a wide plate straightener to straighten each section before using a curler to get bouncy blow dry curls, which is what I was looking for. It looks so good. We also cut layers into the hair because I wanted it to have some volume, and it looked 10 out of 10, guys. This hair is amazing. The lace is amazing.
We made a beat track.
Babe, are we still in love? Or maybe we just need reminding. Well, we lost it, I know where to find it. By the way, right behind this wall is everything I taught us. It's making me feel nauseous. How can I give all of it away? I know it'll probably hurt me more to stay, but I just don't wanna give it up. Who's taking it from here if we don't work it out? Your dry spell has made me feel deserted now. I feel uncertain, I feel like such a burden. I'm trying to, still I don't wanna give it up. No, I just wanna give it my all, that's a given. 100%. Meet me in the middle, baby. It's simple, baby. If I'm with you, why would I wanna give it up? turn together. I always keep you calm. And you dressed up for me, but you don't want to show anybody. Super low key, you don't know anybody. Can't wait to take you down in private. You know my deepest dark desire. Baby, I seen everything and felt it too. You are the best part. If nobody told you, baby, you're pressure. I've been with triplets, I've been with twins, I've been so long, we're doing it years.
I said I was going to have my hair curly. I wanted her to cut some layers in it to give it some dimension.
It's me, you are the star, so still. Even though I find you really fast, I didn't move it. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill. No more. I'm clean. My girl got diamonds on her arm, diamonds in her ear. She even wear that diamonds for a year. I'm trying to treat you special, like no one did. My baby skips the nightlife and the sidelines just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat her special, like no one ever did. Oh baby, I've been with friends. I've been so long, we're doing it years. For you. It's with me, you are the star, the star of my soul. Even though I find you really fast, I didn't move it. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill, no more.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's good so? Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's good so? I can't relate.
Guys, I love my hair so much. My face says it all. I love this in-store. DYHAIR777, their closure and bundles are amazing. Their body wave bundles really hold curls well, and you don't have to put a lot of hairspray for it to last, which is so important when it comes to buying hair because you don't want to spend money and the hair is dropping. I highly recommend you guys getting your hair from DYHAIR777. You won't be disappointed. Look at me, look at my face, look how happy I was dancing in the chair because I loved my hair.
To desperation, might give a fuck. Are on vacation.